Hey guys, my name is Angel Varela, and this is going to be my presentation on synthesis B. Oh no, there you go, on synthesis B. So for synthesis B, we start off with this propane right here, and we turn this propane into this pentene over here. So immediately, the only reaction that came to mind, instinctively to my head, with just an alkene, is the radical addition of a chlorine or bromine. So in this case, I chose bromine, so here we see is Br2 and HV. So after the product after the first step, right after this step, is this one right here. So then after this one, I was like, okay, so what else can I do from here? And like through trial and error, I found out that the best next step was to make an alkene. And in this case, I decided it really doesn't matter what kind of base you use as long as it makes an E2 reaction occur. Because I mean, if the double bond's here or if the double bond's here, it's the same thing because they're equally as substituted. So in this case, I just used KOTBU and I decided to show coming from the right side or stealing the hydrogen from the right side. So then that double bond comes over here, right here. So that's my product after step 2. So after this, I see that I have this alkene. So I'm like, okay, so what else can I do with this alkene? And then I saw that right here I have right here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I start off with the propane. So this part is my starting material, and then on this part, carbon 3 will have an SN reaction with 4, right? So I know that on my carbon 3, which is 1, 2, 3 right here, I know that this carbon right here has to be part of an SN2 reaction, and the only way it could be a part of an SN2 reaction is if I have a good leaving group. So in this case, I decided to go with the anti-Markovnikov composition of a halogen. So then after that, after step 3, I end up with this, which is exactly what I wanted, a anti-Markovnikov composition of a halogen. And after that, I come in with my, I don't know if this is called an acetylene ion or whatever this is, whatever this guy is called. These lone pairs will attack this carbon right here, kicking off this bromine. And then it leaves me with this material over here. And that's good because after that, that's pretty much what I need, right? Because this is a 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I say that I have an alkene. The only way to undo an alkene and make it into a transalkene is using solid sodium and then liquid ammonium. And then you end up with this guy over here. So yeah, that was my presentation. And if you guys have any questions or if anything isn't really clear, you can just let me know and I'll try to do my best of my abilities to explain it further in the discussions. Thank you guys.